Assalamualaikum, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Logitech MX Master 3S mouse and connect it to any device. If it helps, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's do this step by step. First, just turn the mouse upside down. Once you flip it over, you will see two buttons, one near the top and one near the bottom. The top one is the power switch to turn it on or off, and the bottom one is for switching devices and resetting. Slide the top switch upward to turn the mouse on. Next, to perform the reset, press and hold that bottom button for about 3 seconds. You will see the indicator light start blinking rapidly, which means the mouse is resetting and entering pairing mode. Just wait 5 to 6 seconds. Within a few moments, the reset will complete, and the mouse will immediately become visible in the Bluetooth settings of your laptop or computer. And that is the complete tutorial on how to reset your Logitech MX Master 3S mouse. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.